guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this really fun gold, green, brown smoky eye. I think this look is so fun to do for summery nights, you know, any glam fancy occasion you gotta go to, or just, again, anything, because I love smoky looks and I will wear those to whatever I feel like, even if it's at 7 o'clock in the morning. I most likely will be wearing one. So I feel like this is a really fun look that I wanted to share with you guys, and I really hope you guys will enjoy this. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, so to jump in, I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Carroty Pre-Shadow. I've been actually liking this primer for a while. I've been testing it out. I did the first impression in my Carroty video and I liked it then, and I'm actually liking it a lot now. It is just, I think, a really good primer, and for the price of it, I think it was about $8, which is not bad at all, and I feel like you're getting a lot in here. I just think it's a really great primer. I'm really impressed with it. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and set it, and I'm just going to, I can't seem to find my brush that I normally set my primers with, but I'm just going into this random brush. I'm just gonna go and set that with just a very light bone colored shadow. Okay, so with this look, I'm going to be jumping into just two different palettes, but for a majority of it, I'm just going to be going in with the Anastasia's Soft Glam palette. I really do like this palette a lot, by the way, too. I'm obsessed with it. So for starters, I'm just going to be, let me take it out. I'm going to be jumping into Orange Soda, which is that one, and then after that, I'm going to be going into Burnt Orange, but this is just going to be the starter color, and we're basically going to be covering it later with the Burnt Orange, but I just want this as the base just to get things started. Okay, and so for the second one, like I said, we're going into Burnt Orange right there, and then we're just basically covering up what we just did to deepen it up more. And I'm, again, always using that all over crease brush, which is the Morphe M504 brush. You would think I would memorize the name by now, but I like it because you can really put the shades on super quick and it blends it out really, really well in a short amount of time. That's why I really do like this brush, and I do not think I'm going to be changing that. I used to be using the Sigma E40 brush, which let me see if I could find it, which is right here, right? Yeah. Which is this one, and I liked it for, let me see if I liked this one for the longest time, but until I got a hold of this one, I just love it. It's super quick and easier. But you can see the difference of how they are, but again, this one still works really great. I do like this brush, but this one won the spot. So yeah, so once this is blended, I am now going to cut the crease. I'm not going to be doing that brown shade just yet because I like doing that to blend the other colors out that we will be doing right now. And to cut it, I'm just using the MAC Select Cover Up and going in with my normal e.l.f. concealer brush. And then I'm just going to cut the lid. And so now I'm going to be going in with the Naked brushes. I'm using the same one for both colors, just, you know, the other sides. So now I'm going to be going into Bronze, which is that pretty gold color. And I'm just going to put this all the way up to the center of my lid. Like so. And now I'm going to be going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and just to be clear of the names, I'm going to be going in with Diva and Enchanted, which are those two right there, just to get that perfect green I wanted. And then we're going to put this just in the center. And then just flipping the brush over, going back into the Bronze, I just want to blend the gold into the green. Like that. And we'll fix it a little more, because with this it's a lot of going back and forth a little bit, just to make sure the eyeshadows are blended into each other seamlessly and until it looks the way we need to be satisfied. So now I am going to go in with my Morphe E18 brush. I'm going to go into Cypress Umber, and then we're going to put this all on the ends. And I'm just trying to flare it out just a little bit. And then going back in with that Urban Decay brush and going back into the green shades, and I just want to blend the green into that brown. Again, just slightly brushing that together. And then again, with no extra product right now, I'm just trying to use what's ever left over. Like so. And then now I'm just going to go in with my Sigma Blending E25 brush, and I'm going to go into Rustic and be light-handed with this color, because surprisingly when we use that shade right there, it definitely looks lighter off camera, but it comes out pretty dark. To me, when I use it, I would have thought it looked like Cypress Umber, but Cypress Umber right now is kind of looking purple on here, but it's a really dark brown, and that's what I thought the Rustic looks like now once I put it on, but it's still a really pretty color. I don't mind it. And then we're just gonna be blending these colors out for the crease. And I just also blend it upward, where it's not just in the crease alone, and it blends up into the lighter brown. And then I go back into this, the Morphe M504 brush, and go back into Orange Soda and Burnt Orange, just lightly to blend the brown out together now. And so again, we are going back into bronze just to bring those colors back from blending out. And then lastly, the brown. Like so. And now I'm just gonna do my waterline with the Ulta's gel liner in brown. And I'm gonna do the top with the Ulta's liner in black. And now we're gonna go in with Cypress Umber and press it against the lash line. And I'm getting my Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45 brush, and I'm just mixing orange soda, burnt orange, and rustic all together and to blend out the bottom. And so now we're just going to jump into the liner, which I'm going to be using my Stila eyeliner pen. And now we're going to go into mascara, and I'm going to be going in with my IT Cosmetics Superhero. Okay, so now I just want to go over everything real quick and blend just one last time. Okay, so now to highlight the brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Gold Flower Crown, which looks like that. And when I put it on my brush, I just want to spritz it with some Fix Plus, and then go ahead and put it on just to make it more of that shinier wet look. I just feel like it looks really pretty with this look. Let alone actually any look, but for today, I just really want that wet glow. So just going back one more time over that. It's a little too low. Okay. Same thing for the inner corner, just spritz that. Okay. So now to set the face. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just always think that these colors are always beautiful together, and I think it's a really fun look for a summery night, glam, whatever occasion you guys are going to. I just think this is a very, very complimenting look. So I just really hope you guys enjoyed this. And for the lip, since I went ahead and, you know, did that off camera, I went in with the Milani All Natural lip liner and topped it off with my NYX soft matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi. So yeah, again, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and in the comments below let me know if there's anything you guys want to see or want me to go test out. Anything like that, just go ahead and put it down in the comments and I will be glad to do it for you. So with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!